recruits are green, to say the least.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
The line is Collier County 911. What is the address of your emergency?
Okay. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
We're used to getting guys straight out of the academy. These folks, they need a little more training.
My name is Buddy the Elf, and this is my first job. I have no idea what I'm doing.
But you know, we're up to the challenge. We're willing to give them a little more one-on-one attention. Anyway, we appreciate their enthusiasm.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too, sir.
Look guys, I know it's not ideal, but I need some people to show up for Christmas Day.
We figure we'll give them through the holidays to shape up.
All right, come on,
But
buddy.
Christmas,
Let's go,
Christmas,
let's go.
Christmas.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi.
I had to write you a ticket. You're well over the speed limit.
Okay.
And Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you.
Unfortunately, some of them are beyond help.
From our CCSO family to yours, we're wishing you a happy, healthy, and safe holiday season.